Today, in this video I will show you how to make flash effect using the Capcut. But before we proceed, shout out to Leo Hadaway, A2 Motivation, JM Brow PH, thank you for your support. If you want to mention you, subscribe now and comment down below to shout out. First, open Capcut. Create new project. Then add video. Delete Capcut and video. Tap filter. Then choose the filter you like. Tap adjust. And then, adjust the brightness, contrast, exposure, highlight, shadow, and fade to enhance your video. Tap speed. Select curve. Then custom. Drag the dots down to slow your video. Tap effect. Then select party. Find the white flash. Duplicate the effect. Now, add sound effect and place it where the flashes start. Duplicate the sound effect. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.